Shooting your first video is the hardest, yes. But when you take that first big, bold baby step, every other video will fall in place. But with the tips I'll be sharing and giving out in this video, you won't only shoot your first video, but second, third, fourth, and so on videos in your channel. So keep on watching to learn. Hello Sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement just like this one, how-to videos and lifestyle vlogs. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, that red fat subscribe button. Click on it and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. I will always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating videos on this channel. If you're doubting me, please check out my other videos to confirm that. In today's video, I will be talking about how to shoot your first YouTube video with confidence. Please keep on watching to learn. My Sprinkles, without wasting your time, let's go straight into this video. My first point will be, watch your favorite YouTuber or YouTubers a day before your filming day. I know you understand what I mean. Every one of us has that favorite YouTuber we enjoy watching. Just go and watch that person before your filming date. I'm telling you, it will boost your morale, and it will boost, what I mean by morale is that your confidence, to boost your confidence, and it will make you pumped to film. This will give you that boost and confidence you need for your filming day, which will be the next day. Okay, won't talk much about this. Let's move on to the next point. My Sprinkles, my second point is, have or write your script. I know you have heard this a lot of time, and it is true. It is very important. Except for vlog, you don't need scripting for vlog, because vlog is just like a lifestyle. It's just something you want to show out that you're doing for that particular day. But once it's a sit down video just like this, you have to have a script or write a script. I have a script right here and I wrote it myself. But if you are in the position that you don't know how to write a script, ChatGPT to the rescue. I have a video on how to download ChatGPT to your phone, and you can download ChatGPT to Android or iPhone or to your laptop. You can download ChatGPT to all devices. All you have to do is to download it after you watch my video. I have a video on that. It will be in the description box below. Go and check it out and watch it and know how to download ChatGPT and questions to ask it. After you have downloaded ChatGPT to your phone, the next thing is to go to it and ask it to script a particular topic you want it to script for you. Just go to it and type ChatGPT script a topic on self-care, or a topic on confidence, or a topic on how to interact with people, and a topic on where to visit. Just any topic you want it to script for you. You can ask ChatGPT to script a particular video under the minute you want it to. For example, you can say, script 10-minute video for how to become confident in my 20s, and you will watch ChatGPT do the magic. Okay, when ChatGPT has finished scripting your video for you, all you have to do is to get pen and paper and write down the points you want, and you can add in your human feel to the point, and that is it. You have a script and you have a video already planned out for yourself. Okay, and the next thing to do is to go ahead and prepare yourself and start filming that video. Let's move on to the next point. My Sprinkles, my third point is, practice, practice, practice. Yes, please hear me out before you come for me. You don't have to go far or go out to practice. You can practice speaking in front of your mirror while bathing, or you can practice with your phone. Just place it as a selfie camera and you are practicing. All this is just to get yourself familiarized with your phone and speaking to your phone, and just like you just imagine yourself speaking to people. Basically it's just you, your phone, and the room, no other person here. And even if the person there, is just to pump you up to film that video, and it doesn't hurt anybody or hurt a thing just to film your video. You just have to tell yourself you can do it. Speak to yourself in your mirror, tell yourself you can do it, calm yourself and put yourself together and shoot that video. You can really do it. So my sprinkles, let's move on to the next point. My sprinkles, my fourth point is sleep early. Yes, there is one thing about sleeping early that is good for filming. Once you sleep early, you wake early. Before filming this video, I slept early yesterday to get myself prepared and mentally ready to film all my video, because I don't film one video a day. I film like 3 videos in a day. So I have to sleep early to get myself ready for my tasks ahead. So you have to sleep early so you wake up early, because if you wake up late, you'll be feeling so anxious and cranky, and you will not need that to film a video. When you're already feeling so anxious and cranky, you want to even move the date of the video further, which if you move it further, it's going to make you more anxious and cranky. All you have to do is to sleep early so you avoid being anxious and cranky on that day. When you sleep early and you wake up early, you'll be feeling good and energized, and you'll be ready to film. Sleeping early is among the trick that will give you that confidence boost that you need. Okay, let's move on to the last and final tip. My sprinkles, my last and final tip is, it won't be perfect, and that's okay. Yes, your first video won't be perfect, and that is fine. That is okay. That is wonderful. The main thing is to film that first video. My videos are not yet perfect. I don't even see perfection in any of my videos. But every single day I wake up and I follow all these tips I have listed for you. This is my practical real life example tips that I use for myself. Every single time I want to film my video, I follow these tips from number 1 to this point, and that is what I do even today. Number 1, I watch my favorite YouTuber. Number 2, I script. Number 3, I practice. While number 4, I sleep early. Number 5, I know the video will not be perfect, but I have to film it anyway. There is no perfection in anything, no, but you have to do it to your best of your power, to your best of your ability. You don't have to say, oh, I'm looking for perfection, I need a big camera, I need a big phone, I need a bigger space, I need a bigger light, I need a bigger filming gadget. You don't need all that. Start with what you have. I am filming right now with my phone and with a ring light, and in my room with the windows open. There is no light, but I'm filming. I am not waiting till when I get a big camera. I'm not waiting till when I get a bigger space. I'm not waiting till when I have a bigger filming gadget. I film with what I have. So it will not be perfect, and it is fine. It is okay. Okay, film that video. That is the main thing. The first video is usually not the best, and my first video was not the best, but it was the hardest. My first video, I filmed it twice. The first one is the one that will give way to second video, third video, fourth video, fifth video, 100 video, because without the first one, there is no other video. You have to take that step to film the first one before you can film other videos. As you keep on filming, you learn as you go. You become better as you go. I can tell, if I watch my first video, my second video, my third, it's not the same with these ones I film. And I know these ones I film right now are not perfect, but they are not like my other videos. Every single day I learn something new on the go. So that is how it is. You will not say that, oh, because of my first video is not perfect, I'll not film other ones. No, your first video won't be perfect, but you will film a second video, you will film a third video. So you keep on filming those videos till you become perfect the way you want it. My video is not perfect, and I'll keep on filming until I become perfect. My sprinkles, my bonus points will be: film it tired, film it angry, film it less confident, film it anyhow, but just film it anyways. Get it done anyways. That is it. And if you need more boost, go and watch all these videos that helps in building confidence. Go and watch all these confident building videos on YouTube, and you will get more pumped. See, I'm rooting for you to film that first video. Don't let me down. Film that first video, okay? Other thing that you must know is that hope you're not filming, or hope you're not starting a YouTube channel because your bestie is starting a YouTube channel, because your friend is starting a YouTube channel, because your favorite YouTuber said go and film a video, you're starting a YouTube channel. No, start it because you want to really start a YouTube channel, because you enjoy filming, because you like sharing tales, because you like sharing your lifestyle, because you want to impact somebody. That's why you have to start a YouTube channel. That is the reason why you want to start a YouTube channel, not because somebody is asking you, because you want to do it, because you want to impact. Okay, my sprinkles, if you're watching to this point, thank you so much. I really love you all. Thank you for watching to this point. My sprinkles, this is the end of this video, and I know you've gotten value as usual. Please don't forget to give this video a huge like. I know you must have liked this video. What are you waiting for? Like this video and leave any comment. Please, in the comment section, leave your comments. Any question you have for me, I will definitely reply you, and I love interacting with you guys. If you are yet to begin your YouTube channel and you have something holding you back, please leave it in the comment section. I am there to encourage you. Please don't forget to share my video so it can get to other viewers, and the YouTube algorithm will push my other videos to other viewers, and our channel will keep on growing. The more the merrier. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And please stay safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, I really love you all.